What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Kuroji Gaming. On this video we're going to go over my water methanol injection kit. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please do so. Give me that thumbs up and that like. Hit that like button. On this video, like I said, we're going to go over the results of my injection kit. I never really checked to see what the difference was between not having it and having it. The only thing I did is, when I was going up towards when I was getting onto the highway, I'd flip the switch, turn it on, and then I'd smash on it to get on the highway real quick. But I never really checked to see what the results were. So what I did is, last night I took the truck out for a drive. Now I was cruising at 70 or 75, so I let it cruise down to a 50. I was on the highway. I made sure there was nobody around. It was dark out. So when I got to 50, then I just smashed on it on both results to see what I would get and to see if I could really tell the difference. Now, the only thing I've done in my truck is I've done the SmartyJr tune. I've done the DPF delete and the water methanol injection kit. I've only done those three things. Now the SmartyJr tune, there's three levels on it. It's on the second level, so it's in the medium level. I think you can set the percentage on how high you want it to be on that setting, and I think I have it maxed out. You can change the timing, which I advanced it to 2 settings, and then I think all I did was leave the tire stock, because you can change the tire size that you have on your truck, and it basically changes the tune for your truck. But mine has stock stuff. So now you got to remember, this truck is a 1-ton truck. It's Dodge 3500, so it's a heavy truck. So for the results that I got, as you'll see, you can make your own opinion. Give it that like. I have other videos of how I did the DPF delete, and I also have videos of how I did the SmartyJr tune. If you guys want to check those out, go ahead. But yeah, check it out guys. Let me know what you guys think.